Did I need it? No, but I'm gonna support a teen mom regardless, period.
Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real, purse, full, big bills, bitch, I'm a big deal.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Vanessa and Juvia's Place collection. All right, this is what it looks like here. Yeah, girl, but I legit bought it the same day that I found out about it, because I don't think there was promo before that, or maybe I just missed it. But the second I found out that she was doing a collection, I had to support, even though Lord knows I definitely don't need any more makeup, but I definitely wanted to support her because she's somebody that I've been watching since her beginning stages. I just didn't realize how fast she's grown. Like, I feel like she just was on the scene, you know what I'm saying? But then after watching her review on YouTube, which I didn't even know that she had a YouTube channel, but after watching her review on YouTube and hearing her story, it definitely made me want to buy it, because you know, I definitely connect with her on the teen mom level. So even though I didn't need the entire collection whatsoever, but when somebody like the teen mom thing has a sensitive place in my heart, so I have to support her. All right, she did her thing. You got YouTube, Instagram, social media, it's really hard. So congratulations, Vanessa, your collection is absolutely beautiful. All right guys, so the collection comes with a palette and 2 lippies. So I decided to do just a full face of Juvia's Place products. I already had a foundation, but when I tested it last week while I was waiting for this package to come, I realized that either that was my summer shade, or I don't know who color that was going to be for, because it definitely oxidizes the foundation, so it wasn't really my match anymore. So I went to Ulta, went to go find my right shade, which was hard because, you know, you can't test anything at any of these makeup stores anymore. Well, I think you can at Sephora, but they help you. But so I took a chance. I actually bought 2 of them just in case. So this is the one that's like more like my skin color, but I really do like the foundation. The only thing, I like the coverage of the foundation, but the only thing is, like, it's really hard to find your color. I just don't, I like that it's full coverage. I like how thick it is. I like a thicker foundation, a thicker consistency in products for my face, but I still don't think I exactly got it right. But you know, I made it work. She makes it work. Okay, so yeah, so this is the palette right here, guys, are the colors that are in it. So there's 6 shades here in the palette, and to create this look I used this color, this color, this color. So these ones, these 2 right here. So, and they blended out really good. Juvia's Place in general is really known for their eyeshadows, so I knew that I wasn't going to be disappointed there. And her lip products, I have 2 of them. I used the nude one on my lip, which, if you guys can see this, all right, yeah, so there's 2. I only used 1, but let me open up the other one too, just so I can swatch it for you. One of them is a nude color, and the other one is a pink color. Right here, one of them is more of a pink shade, and the other one is nude, which is what I have on my lips today. I did pair it with a Juvia's Place lip liner as well, and this one is in the color Cola, K-O-L-A. So this is what this one that I have on my lips looks like here. It's really creamy, it smells really good. So this is what this one looks like. It's a pretty nude. I like it. Like, it pairs really well on my skin tone. I think it looks like an actual like nude. And this is what the pink one is looking like right here. Very pretty, very Valentine's Day-esque. So I think I'm going to do another look with this for Valentine's Day, actually. So those are the 2 lip colors there. Yeah, I like the collection, to be honest with you. Did I need it? No, but I'm gonna support a teen mom regardless, period. Congratulations again, Vanessa. Your collection is dope, and I hope you guys really like the way I came up with this look. I kind of thought I was going for a cut crease look, but I kind of ended up blending everything together. So yeah, guys, If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll list everything that I used down in the description box since it wasn't a talk through video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.